I've been waiting for this all morning and all day. Finally came in. So let's open this sucker up. Okay. There it is. This is an 18-inch wheel. Looks in pretty good shape. Let's see here. No damage. Let me just take it out of the box and check the back side of this. Okay. That looks good. Flip this around. Okay. Looks pretty good. Now this is supposed to be for the back. This is an 18. I'm going to pull out a 17. The front wheels I'm going to put on. You can see the size difference. Okay, here are them side by side. This is the front tire of the front wheel. It's a 17/7 with a positive 40 millimeter offset. It should clear everything. Like I said, 17/7 inch wide. That goes in the front. And this is going in the back. This is an 18/8. Same offset. It's going to be an inch wider in the back, as you can see right there. But with the proper tire, it'll fit perfect. Now I just got one more to go, which is going to be another 18 like this one. And then I'll get the proper size tires, put my alignment kits on that I got to put on the car, mount and balance, and put these on. My next wheel is going to be ordered this Friday. So we're almost there. Until I see you next video.